All right, a lot of rain today. This is where we're at. So we just started building the entryway, just framing it up, sort of temporary to get the pitch right for the porch and entryway roof. The main roof is at 3.5 12 pitch, and the porch entryway roof will be a reverse pitch at 1.5 12, so it'll come in there. So we have that first pony wall I built right in the middle, and that's going to be on the top, and that's in line with the outer wall of the house, and that's going to be the driver for the height of the main entryway wall, that's where the front door will be, and also where it hits on the roof. I mean, we did some approximate measurements, so we know it's gonna, about an inch, within an inch of where it's gonna be. So that's the idea. Build that one first, the one in the middle, and then use that to pull the heights for the outer wall and where the rafter will hit the roof. So that's where we're at on that right now. If you've been following along, you might have remembered there was a tree stand right here in the middle. We were going to have a circle driveway originally before we moved the house back and down, but that didn't work after we decided to relocate the house. So we dug out that tree stand and put all these nice rocks from the excavation that we've done around the property around it so people don't drive into it. And eventually we'll fill this dirt area at the bottom with some topsoil and probably just make this a garden area or something. But that's real nice. We have also gotten rid of our wood pile. It is gone. And we've completely regraded around the whole house. We have some really nice large stone steps down there at the bottom. I'll show you those another time when the clay isn't quite so soggy. Still have some windows to put in, but working on this entryway was the priority at the moment because I want to get the rest of the roof deck on and get the underlayment on that, because then the roofers are going to come and we should be able to get the roof on here in the next couple of weeks, or month, depending on their schedule, but pretty soon. I'm working with them and talking to them, so that'll be exciting as well.